In today's business landscape, your reputation is everything. Recent studies have shown that 25% of your company's entire market value is directly related to your reputation. 92% of consumers will research your business before making a purchase, so you want to make a positive impression when you get found. For the most part, there's one place consumers go to research your brand: Google. It's the first step every time. Google sees over 4 million searches a minute, and bad reviews or negative press can directly influence your sales. So you can start to see why a good reputation is so important. But what can you do to strengthen your online reputation? First up, claim all of your profiles. Respond to customer reviews. Push down negative content that can't be removed. And make reputation management part of your content strategy. Thankfully, AMPs are a great way to build trust and credibility. Alright, so how can AMPs help you to build a stronger brand? If you publish consistently, AMPs can build brand narratives that share your message to the public with 6 different types of content: the news article, the blog article, your podcast, your slideshow, the infographic, and the video. AMPs are a great way to generate brand visibility in a way that you control. You're able to position yourself as an authority in your field, and you're able to offer readers quality content that meets their specific needs. Each AMP gets published on major platforms with high authority, giving your business the rub and helping you to increase visibility. If you want to push down negative reviews, AMPs are the perfect tool. You can improve visibility for all relevant topics. That way, when customers search for you, they're seeing positive stories. And because you're getting your name out there on trusted, recognizable platforms, you gain immediate credibility. This can have a dramatic impact on click-through and sales, because every sale begins with establishing trust. If you want to take control of your narrative and manage your reputation, AMPs are the perfect tool.